Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I'm going to be trying on all the jeans in my wardrobe. I thought there'd be more than this, but I guess there isn't. But we're going to try them all on. This is a continuation of me trying on everything in my closet inspired by Arden Rose. She does it a little bit more in a closet purge kind of sense, but today I'm actually going to be showing you guys why I decided to keep a lot of the stuff in this pile. And I already know there is a few that are going to be going away, but if you're here for an extreme closet purge, this isn't going to be that video. I'm very careful with the jeans and even all the items in general that I keep in my wardrobe. I do fashion YouTube kind of this whole thing like full time, so there is a lot of incoming as well as a lot of outgoing. I do donate all my clothes, nothing goes into the garbage. A lot of it does go to my family and friends as well. But I want to show you guys this mini collection of all the denim. I feel like I have enough here for a dedicated video. So without further ado, let's try all my pants on. First pair of denim are the ones that I am wearing. They are just like a slim boyfriend style. These were thrifted. I got these a few months ago. I think they were like less than 10 bucks Canadian, so can't really go wrong. Really like these. I'm going to be keeping these. I already know I am. They're not super high rise, but I find them quite flattering. Keeping these. I am sad to see these go, but I think they are going to, we're gonna purge these because I never ever wear them. I think they definitely taught me a lesson in embellished jeans. There's really just no use for them. I thought I would wear them a lot with like, I don't know. Don't love this. I feel like they make me look, I'm something I'm not, you know? I don't know. I just changed my mind on these. They just, I don't know if this is like the most flattering look, to be honest. And they're really big for me, like, so you guys can see. They just have a lot of room. But I got these thrifted as well. Guys, you're gonna see a very common theme in this entire video that I love my thrifted pants. Like, I think over half of these are thrifted. It's better for the environment. It's, you find things that are unique. You find things that are actually at a lower cost than if you were to get them at Urban Outfitters or somewhere like that. So, yeah. These, my friends, are reworked denim. If you guys hung out with me on my latest weekly vlog, you'll know that I took these from like really large boyfriend style pants, like wide leg, to this with the little slit at the end. I think they're so cute. I love finding Levi's at the thrift. It's like every time you get a pair of Levi's at the thrift store, you're kind of like, score. So these ones are by Wrangler, and they're just another kind of straight leg boyfriend fit. Really into these. They are a little big for me. Like, I wish the waist was just a little bit like, if it was like this, yas. Like, that would be everything if the waist was like that. Even if, like, I've seen a lot of jeans lately that, like, they put the fly here. You guys should do that. That look cool. Like, if I move the fly to there. Not much to say about them. These I actually just found at the thrift store. They are by Smart Set or something like that, like a really random brand, but like they're so good. They're velvet, which is super trendy. They're thrifted, which is awesome, but I love the way they feel. I thought they were black when I first picked them up, but they're actually kind of more like a purpley brown. It's the waist. Really cool. So I could tell that obviously I gear towards the same styles all the time. Because these ones don't look much different than the last ones, but they are Levi's, they are thrifted again. They're so cool. These look so good when you're wearing like a big sweater and then ankle boots. I love how comfy they are too. They seriously feel like sweatpants. So comfy, the bum is cute. So I picked these up around my birthday this year because I was obsessed with them. I got them at Public Butter, so they are vintage. They're just old, like acid wash Guess. I don't wear them a lot, but I love them, and I think I want to wear them a lot more now that it's winter because I picked them up when it was really hot out. But like, guys, how cute, right? So these were jeans from my friend Annie. She has a sustainable denim boutique online called Simply Suzette. So these are Fidelity, and I just love Fidelity jeans. I have a couple pairs now and they're so great. And these ones are high-waisted. They're probably one of like, I think I only have like 3 pairs of like true skinny jeggings left in my closet now, and this is one of them. These are my favorite pair of denim that I've ever gotten from Shein. They are just little crop flares. So they're fitted all along here and then just flare. These are a good go-to. They look so good with Doc Martens. So freaking good. So, yep. So these are probably the most expensive pair of jeans I've ever bought, but they were a really good deal, which is why I got them. They are by Frame. They were actually a 34-inch inseam, which is really long. So I actually ended up cutting them myself, so that way I could wear them with heels, so they just touch the floor. But yeah, overall really good. They're leggingy though, so there is like a crotch situation happening here, but in the right underwear, they're okay. These I actually just wore last night, but they are my shop redones. I'm gonna link the style of these in the description box below because they are current. But love shop redone. They are more on the pricey side, but the fit is really good. They're reworked Levi's and they really work like with your body. I find them very, very flattering. Also, they are sustainable, so that's also another great bonus. Really, really cute. So these are also from Shop Redone. I'll just show you guys all the Shop Redone ones in a row. But these are called high-waisted stovepipe denim, and I think that they are actually one of their classic styles, I think. I like them a lot. They're just, they feel a little bit big in the leg now because these are a 26, not a 25, but very, very cute. Last pair of redoes I'm going to show you guys. These are, I think, high-waisted straight leg, I believe. They look really good with a boot as well. I think every jean probably looks good with a boot. But these are definitely a light wash denim. Very, very, like, tight and, like, fitted. So, these are probably when I first fell in love with thrifted jeans. These are from Black Market. They were 10 bucks, and then I just skinnied them myself. I will link that video where I alter denim in the description box below or in the card somewhere because it's really helpful and it has totally transformed a lot of my jeans. But this is probably like my first OG pair of vintage Levi's. Still like them. I don't know, guys, what do you think? I was also thinking about cutting them into shorts, but so many people are like, no, don't do that, they're too good. So let me know. But yeah, so these, you guys may have seen them before. They are my Jamie flares in black. I got these in a 30 inseam, so that way I could wear them with flat shoes. And then I have another pair which I'll show you guys after, but they're really good because they're high-waisted and super flattering up on the waist and your bum area, except they're just like the perfect amount of flare. But yeah, just like super, super cute. So these are the ones that so many people were asking me about in one of my try-on hauls. These are Jamie jeans, Topshop flares with the raw hem. You guys noticed I have at least 3 pairs with raw hem. Really like these, but the reason why I have them is because I don't really have any basic flares in my wardrobe, and these are so flattering with a pair of heels and like just a silky top or something, you know, sophisticated lady vibes. They make your butt and your waist look absolutely unreal, which is why I love Jamie's. So Another pair of denim you guys always ask me about are these A Gold 90s fit denim. Sorry, I have this like awful knot here. I just wanted to show you guys like how high-waisted they are because I realized, yeah, you guys don't get to see the true denim unless it's tied up. But like really, really cute. These are a size 26, which is why they are a little big. But they were the only size that they had when I was in LA, and they were on sale for a really good deal. I believe they're $80, and A Golds are normally like 300 Canadian, so solid deal. They definitely have all the vibes going on. So this is from the era where I was actually working at an office and I was allowed to wear jeans to work, but with no holes. So I decided to pick up this pair from American Eagle at the time. American Eagle's really affordable and they make comfy styles. I honestly never really wear them now because I'm always wearing jeans with holes. I'm wearing boyfriend jeans or things like that, but you can't go wrong with a pair of black skinny jeans in your closet, especially if you have to wear all black to work or anything like that. Really, really comfortable, like squat, I guess. That was a really bad squat. Yep. So these are actually from Fashion Nova, and I used to be obsessed with these jeans, but I just haven't worn them in a really long time. Mainly because they are just a little bit, like, they look good right now, but they do get stretched out throughout the day, which kind of bothers me. But the reason why I keep them, even though I don't wear them much anymore, is because Miss Sydney Wong, my sister, loves these jeans. She only wears like 2 pairs of my denim when she comes home, and it's always these or the last pair I'm going to show you. Honestly, like, my opinion with Fashion Nova stands true. I'm actually really surprised at how good their jeans fit. Like, they're really, really nice for the price and everything. So this is the second pair of jeans that my sister only wears when she's here. But yeah, like, these are from 7 From All Mankind. Again, I just never really need pants that don't have holes in them anymore because I just love my distressed jeans. But these are the only other pair that my sister wears like all the time. She always asks me, she's like, every time she comes home, she's like, where are your 7s? As I was editing this video, guess what showed up? I ordered these on Black Friday. This is exactly what I was talking about, so I'm so excited for these. Oh, my first pair of Reformation denim. Oh, they're so nice. I can't believe these arrived while I was filming this. That's hilarious. So these are the Perry jean, and they look a lot like the Fashion Nova jean I just had, except these, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna try these on and I'm gonna show you guys the last pair, the actual last pair of denim. Oh my god. So these are the Perry jean by Reformation, and I got these on their Black Friday sale, and it's Monday, so that was like really, really fast shipping. They're really long, like painfully long, like hello, look at this. But with the right shoe, oh my god, these are so good. Okay, so they have 30% off right now on all of Reformation, and one of the things I wanted to do this year when I was going on Black Friday was not shop, so I guess just not buy a lot of crap and really only buy really well-made pieces. So if you guys see my future Black Friday haul, these will be in them. So I got these in a size 25 for those of you wondering about Reformation denim, and they were on sale, so oh my god, like freaking amazing. Okay, holy crap. Okay. So guys, that is it. I've tried on all of my denim. Now I have a lot to clean up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will link any current styles in the description box below. So without further ado guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.